All right, so this is a thing I'm really happy about, and that is that I was able to look at this source. We have the main CPP, which I'm not really proud of because it should be much cleaner than this. This should really be more like this. But anyhow, what this does is that it starts up a lot of threads and web server and just do all the booting of the playhead environment. And step debugging when you have multiple threads and real time. Oh no, that's not for me, man. No. So I was able to get this running. So this is like the equal thing. So we have a shutdown flag that isn't really needed. It's just needed for, that things doesn't break. And then we have the main. And it sets up some things. But what it does, it's that it kicks that WAV writer. And for once, we don't need to have the studio run or, dealing with that writing. We can write now to do stuff that isn't deterministic because we are not rendering. We are not in real time. We are in whatever time we want. So if I set a breakpoint here and I choose to go step debugging, here I have either releasing or the step debugging. Let's try this. And it builds and it links and yay. You see, right? Here we are. So we can walk through this and catch all the strange things that's going on here. So let's jump down to we can parse we fake everything. We are not connected to real MIDI. This is perfect for writing test scripts as well. So here maybe that's how you should do this. That this main should really be just requesting different test scripts. So I guess many of you have more experience in this, how to do this in C++. And then you may say, but you should use Jenkins, or you should use, I don't know, all this fancy software that I have no time to learn. So this has to be super simple. Okay, so let's go into parse MIDI. Okay, so we parse these MIDI messages, and of course we can just browse over them and see what's going on. Yeah, we have a MIDI message 144, that's not on, 48, and velocity, what? 128? Did I set that? That's so silly. Let's change that. That's so... shouldn't be that. That's like a bug. Alright, there you go. And I mean, when I did this in PHP, it was the same thing. I couldn't do real time, and it was really, no compilation in PHP. So that was really a pleasure. And one thing is that it's the header files is just, they're just bloated with different includes, and I think you can do that real much simpler. But I need help with that. So here we go again. We step over this and step over this and go into the MIDI. Bam, 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 and here we are now. Yeah, better. So we get, you can see we can just step there. Let's go out of this because it's not so fun. And we can go into the rendering where we have, you can really just, you see there's a note to hertz, so we get a hertz of 82. Okay, fine. And if I just press play now, play. Yeah, it's done. It's done. So I generated a file called echo WAV. And that's quite nice because it didn't generate any audio out. so I can watch this file. No, hang on, that's not the file, because we are in no, we are in C+. Oh, I'm getting tired now, man. Here we are. Here is echo. You can see the timestamp 7:37, and probably you can see that. But just move this. You see that the time is right. So this was the file we generated, right? I don't know if you can hear that. But there are notes playing, and actually I made a change to, so I need to show you it's a bit annoying, but I just need to show you from a bit older file, because I want to show you here. If I open this in Audacity, and I'm getting more and more friends with Audacity and using keyboard shortcuts, you can see stuff going on here. So if I play this for you, you can hear it. Like that, right? And you can see, what is this? What is this? Sometimes they are super awkward. Sometimes it looks okay, but look at this. Look at this. That's no way. That's not okay. You know, that's bad DSP code. There's the evidence. So that's fabulous to have that step programming. Okay, we're done. Click subscribe if you haven't. Buy me a coffee if you want to. Next step will be, it would be fun to have a polyphonic synthesizer, and I need to take this code now and split it, because they are based on what you see here on the screen. Monophonic synthesizers work in one way, where you have the always ramping the frequency like a portamento, but really fast, so you don't get these problems. The polyphonic synthesizers have a different approach. I mean, you have many notes, so you don't have to deal with this problem really. But then you can have polyphonic synths with portamento. I think that's should be in the monophonic synth. Convince me I'm wrong. Next step, polyphonic synthesizer. I will get there. And then, as I said before, I will have the drums running. I need to make some more code cleanup, because as you can see, this is a big project. Okay, so take care, everyone. I'm done here now. I'm just bringing this out to you guys, and I hope you like this. Take care, everyone. Cheers.